I don't want to mistreated the Paula Nunez. This is a lesson from David Dimagiba, who is portrayed by Macoy De Leon, who accuses Tanggol. You remember who makes enemies at Tanggol? Who is portrayed by Coco Martin in Batang Quiapo. I know this is really hurt and I know this is really pain when I bully Paula Nunez, when I accuses her, when I attack her, when I lash her out way back 2021 during pandemic. This is all I made lots of mistakes. That's why I said before, guys, kasalanan ko talaga yon. That's why. Even what I did to David Gill also, even his family members. I know what I made lots of consequence. Even to Teacher May Tiburcio, that I bullied her, I harassed her. This is all I made lots of mistake. This is a lesson from in Batang Quiapo, from the sin of David Dimagiba, who was portrayed by Macoy De Leon in Batang Quiapo. I don't want to be too much enemies. Because what I realized that Batang Quiapo, it's learning how to re-educate ourselves. This is what I'm gonna say to you, Jordan Bunagan and Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and including Wawel Romero. All of you should learn about the lesson from the past of Tanggol. Or the Tanggol that he said he makes an enemy. David Dimagiba makes enemies at Tanggol. This is a lesson from David Dimagiba. You know, I know this is really pain when you make an enemies. I say to Jordan Bunagan, Paulo Cruzada, Wawel Romero, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio. All of you should learn about the lesson in the past. Let's stop making enemies in social media, like in Facebook, even Messenger. This is really hurt. If all of you listen to Paula Nunez, even John Paul Enriquez, at least all of you should learn how to change the attitude. You know, Paula Nunez is watching Batang Quiapo. She realized about the David Dimagiba, who makes enemies at Tanggol. He realized he made lots of mistake. That's what I say to Jordan Bunagan, Paulo Cruzada, Jean Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and Wawel Romero. All of you should made the mistakes.